Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please support our channel with a like and subscribe. Thanks. In this video, we'll complete the installation and get your car back on the road safely. Step 2. Disconnect the battery. Safety first. Disconnect the battery to avoid any electrical shock or short circuits. This step is crucial because you'll be dealing with the vehicle's electrical system. 1. Turn off the vehicle. Ensure your car is completely off before you begin. 2. Locate the battery. Pop the hood and find the battery, usually near the front of the vehicle. 3. Disconnect the negative terminal. Using a wrench, loosen the bolt on the negative terminal and remove the cable. 3. This cuts off the power supply, making it safe to work on the electrical components. Step 3. Remove the old switch. Now, it's time to remove the faulty clutch safety switch. Follow these steps for a smooth removal. 1. Access the switch. Depending on your vehicle, this might require removing panels or moving other components out of the way. 2. Disconnect wiring harness. Use a pair of pliers to gently detach the wiring harness connected to the switch. 2. Be careful not to damage the wires. 3. Remove mounting screws or clips. Using a screwdriver, remove the screws or clips that hold the switch in place. 4. Take out the old switch. Once everything is unscrewed, carefully remove the switch from its position. Step 4. Install the new switch. With the old switch out, it's time to install the new one. Here's how. 1. Position the new switch. Align it with the mounting bracket or hole where the old switch was located. 2. Secure it with screws or clips. Use the same screws or clips you removed earlier to secure the new switch in place. 3. Reconnect the wiring harness. Attach the wiring harness to the new switch. 3. Ensure the connection is firm and secure. Step 5. Reconnect the battery and test. The final step is to reconnect the battery and test the new switch to make sure everything works. 1. Reconnect the negative terminal. Attach the negative cable back to the battery and tighten the bolt with your wrench. 2. Turn on the vehicle. Start your car and press the clutch pedal. 2. Your car should start smoothly if the new switch is working correctly. 3. Check for proper function. Try starting the car with the clutch pedal both pressed and unpressed. 3. The car should only start when the pedal is fully depressed. By following these steps, you should have no problem replacing your clutch safety switch. Not only will you save money on labor costs, but you'll also gain valuable hands-on experience. Now get ready to hit the road with confidence. Common mistakes to avoid. Replacing a clutch safety switch isn't difficult, but it's easy to make mistakes if you're not careful. Let's look at some common errors and how to avoid them. Skipping safety precautions. Safety can be overstated when working on your car. Forgetting to disconnect the battery is a recipe for disaster. Always disconnect the negative terminal before starting. This simple step prevents electric shocks and shorts, keeping you safe. 1. Why is it important? 1. This is crucial to avoid any electrical mishaps. 2. What can happen? 2. You might get shocked or cause a short circuit, leading to more damage. Using the wrong tools. Using the wrong tools can make the job harder and damage parts. Always use a wrench set, screwdrivers, pliers, and a multimeter. A flashlight is essential for seeing under the dashboard. Jack stands are also critical if you need to lift the car. 1. Tools you need. Wrench set, screwdrivers, pliers, multimeter, flashlight, jack stands. 2. What's at risk? 2. Using incorrect tools can strip bolts, break parts, or make you miss steps. Incorrect switch installation. Installing the switch incorrectly is a big issue. Ensure the new switch is aligned properly and secure it with the right screws or clips. Misalignment can cause the switch not to function properly. 1. Steps to ensure correct installation. Align the switch as the old one was. Secure it firmly. Reconnect the wiring harness accurately. Forgetting to test after installation. After replacing the switch, always test it. Reconnect the battery, start the car, and press the clutch pedal. Your vehicle should only start when the pedal is fully depressed. Testing ensures everything is in working order before you hit the road. 1. Testing steps. Reconnect the battery. Start the engine. Check if the car starts only when the clutch is pressed. Not consulting the vehicle's manual. Every car is slightly different. Skipping the vehicle's manual can lead to missed steps or improper installations. Always consult the manual for specific instructions and torque settings. 1. Why consult it? 1. The manual offers specific details unique to your car. 2. Consequences of skipping. You might miss important steps, leading to improper installation. Avoiding these common mistakes makes replacing your clutch safety switch a much smoother process. Stay safe, use the correct tools, follow the installation steps precisely, and always test after you're done. Happy driving. When to consult a professional. Understanding when to seek professional help can save you time, money, and frustration. While replacing a clutch safety switch is generally a straightforward task, there are instances where consulting a mechanic is wise. Let's explore these scenarios. Complex electrical issues. If your car has complex electrical problems beyond a faulty switch, it's best to see a professional. Modern cars have intricate wiring systems that might interact with the clutch safety switch. Incorrect handling can cause more damage and make the issue worse. 1. Symptoms to watch for. Multiple electrical failures. Flickering dashboard lights. Unexplained engine stalling. Lack of proper tools. Not everyone has a well-stocked tool kit. If you lack the right tools like a multimeter or jack stands, fixing the clutch safety switch yourself might be difficult. Mechanics have specialized tools that can ensure a proper and safe installation. 1. Key tools needed. Wrench set. Pliers. Multimeter. Jack stands. Inexperience with car repairs. If you're new to car repairs, the complexity of the task can be daunting. Mechanics have years of training and experience to handle such repairs efficiently. Attempting a fix without proper knowledge can lead to mistakes. 1. Risks of DIY repairs. Misdiagnosing the problem. Incorrect installation. Potential for causing more damage. Warranty concerns. If your vehicle is still under warranty, working on it yourself might void the coverage. In such cases, it's better to let a certified mechanic handle the repair. This ensures the job is done correctly and maintains your warranty. 1. Why choose a professional? Maintain warranty coverage. Certified technicians. Proper documentation of repairs. Finding a qualified mechanic. Finding a reliable mechanic is crucial. To ensure quality work, follow these tips. 1. Check reviews. Look for mechanics with high ratings and positive customer feedback. 2. Ask for recommendations. Friends, family, and colleagues can often recommend trustworthy mechanics. 3. Certifications. Verify that the mechanic or repair shop has the necessary certifications, such as ASE, Automotive Service Excellence. 4. Get multiple quotes. Don't settle for the first estimate. 4. Compare prices and services to find the best deal. 5. Visit the shop. A visit can tell you a lot about the shop's professionalism and cleanliness. 5. A well-organized shop often reflects a commitment to quality work. Knowing when to consult a professional helps you make informed decisions about your vehicle. If you're unsure about tackling the repair yourself, don't hesitate to seek expert help. It ensures the job is done right and keeps your car running smoothly. Replacing a clutch safety switch is more than just a routine fix, it's crucial for your vehicle's safety. This small component ensures that your car starts only when the clutch is pressed, preventing accidents and unnecessary wear. Identifying the symptoms of a faulty switch, having the right tools, and following proper steps can save you time and hassle. Regular vehicle maintenance and attention to small issues like this can keep your car running smoothly and safely. Don't overlook the importance of a working clutch safety switch. Stay proactive about vehicle care to avoid bigger problems down the road. Happy driving. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.